Om Namo Venkatesaya. In Tirumala temple, Sri Rama is majestically seated at Ramar Mede, which is also called Ramulavari Meda, situated in front of the Garbhagraham. Inside the Antaralaya Mandapam, idols of Vishwaksena, Chakratalva, Garuda and other Parivara Devatas are present. A remarkable bronze idol captures a Vanara in a state of awe, mesmerized by something beautiful. The deity is depicted with its right forefinger on the tip of his nose, conveying surprise. Renowned art historian Dr. C. Sivarama Murthy has identified the image as Sugriva, the Vanara king of Kishkinda. Dr. Murthy attributes the idol's style to Vadakku Paniyur village in Tanjavur district, Tamil Nadu, a relic of the Chola era. Interestingly, despite being identified as Sugriva, many pilgrims reverently worship this idol as Sri Hanuman. Similar bronze idols of Hanuman from this region are found in the Madras Museum. This is confirmed in the TTD publications. According to the legend, Jagadacharya Sri Swami Ramanuja installed these Vigrahas in the Tirumala temple. The Vigraha of Sri Rama is posed in Tribhanga with his left arm holding a bow and his right arm holding an arrow. Sri Sita Devi stands graciously to the right side of Sri Rama, holding a lotus in her hand. Sri Lakshmana stands in the left side of Sri Rama, and both are depicted as Jadadharis, that is, tufted hair without crowns, symbolizing their exile period. It is believed that Sri Rama, during his exile, accompanied by Lakshmana, visited Venkatadri, which is why they are depicted as Jadadharis. Another fascinating story revolves around Sri Rama is that when Jagadacharya Sri Ramanuja, who came to Tirupati to learn Ramayana intricacies from his maternal uncle Sri Tirumala Nambi, during one of the sessions, when Swami Ramanuja learnt about Sri Rama's exile and the difficulties he faced during the exile, he was overwhelmed with sadness and he felt his inability to climb up to Tirumala to worship Lord Venkateshwara. Lord Venkateshwara, disguised as an old man, presented Swami Ramanuja with the idols of Sri Rama, Sita and Lakshmana. Later, Sri Ramanuja got the idols established at Ananda Nilayam next to the idol of Sri Venkateshwara. It is believed by TTD that Lord Hanuman is born in Anjanadri mountain range. Bedi Anjaneya is facing Lord Venkateshwara behind Garudan, indicating it is indeed Sri Rama who is incarnated as Lord Venkateshwara. Om Namo Venkatesaya.